Good morning everyone, how are you all going today? It rained and rained and rained. Started not long after the electrician left, and it's just been pouring down all night. It was beautiful. Alright, so we got the changeover switch and everything in. There we go. Okay. And yes, I need one more thing, but not enough came. And I can't find another one right now. But as you can see, okay, the changeover switch is in. The 8 kilowatt, which we're using, is on the there, that's the red, and the 5 kilowatt is the green. You'll notice the standby current, or the standby power of the 5 kilowatt is 13 watts. That's what it's consuming, okay. In standby mode, which is what it's always in now, and that is true standby mode. Apart from that tiny little green LED light, it's with nothing else on it until it changes over, and then it takes the whole house on. Okay, I'm not going to show you how it all works in this video because I've got some cleaning up to do. I've got some repainting. I've got to remount this thing here, and it won't fit there anymore, so I've got to mount it over here somewhere like that. So right now we got the 8 kilowatt there powering the house and acting as the grid, and the 5 kilowatt is just standing in standby mode. So anyway, I'm going to get to work, mount all this up, so I can get all my exhaust fans working again. Not that it's going to get hot in there today, but it's a job that I have to do. And then I can put all those covers back on that are sitting there that go on the bottom here, and tidy everything up. So that's just a short update video. My next video I'll show you how it all works. Okay, cheerio for now. Bye bye.